Welcome to this comprehensive guide on AWS Amplify S3 integration. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. Amazon S3 is a cloud-based object storage service that allows you to store and serve large amounts of data. Integrating AWS Amplify with S3 enables you to store and manage files in your application. To get started, you need to set up an AWS account and create an S3 bucket. An S3 bucket is a container that holds your files and folders. You can create a new bucket or use an existing one. Once you have your bucket, you need to configure the permissions to allow AWS Amplify to access and manage your files. AWS Amplify provides a built-in module called Storage that allows you to interact with S3. The storage module provides a simple and intuitive API to upload, download, and manage files in your S3 bucket. You can use the storage module to store user-generated content, such as images, videos, and documents. To integrate AWS Amplify with S3, you need to install the Amplify CLI and initialize your project. The Amplify CLI provides a set of commands to configure and manage your Amplify project. Once you have initialized your project, you can add the storage module to your project using the Amplify CLI. After adding the storage module, you need to configure the module to use your S3 bucket. You can do this by providing the bucket name and the region where your bucket is located. Once you have configured the storage module, you can start uploading and downloading files to and from your S3 bucket. Best practices for using AWS Amplify S3 integration include using secure protocols to upload and download files, such as HTTPS. You should also use IAM roles to control access to your S3 bucket and ensure that only authorized users can upload and download files. In summary, AWS Amplify S3 integration provides a simple and intuitive way to store and manage files in your application. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and reliably store and manage files in your S3 bucket using AWS Amplify. This integration enables you to build scalable and secure applications that meet the needs of your users.